like a 14-pound meerkat-eating martial eagle. Meerkats understand. That's Drongo for threat from the skies. When their trusted friend gives the all clear, the meerkats know it's safe to come out again. And they get back to work. Jackpot. Protein and water in one poisonous package. Thankfully, meerkats are experts at dispatching scorpions. But this story has another sting in the tail.
That's the alarm again.
But this time, there is no eagle. The Drongo is a liar. A cunning con artist who takes advantage of the meerkat's hard work to steal a free lunch.
But cry eagle too many times.
And the meerkats get wise to the game. Now, that call can't be ignored. It's a meerkat alarm. Or is it? The devious Drongo is also a mind-blowing mimic. She can switch between 30 different alarm imitations. And as long as she tells the truth, sometimes meerkats can't afford to ignore their two-faced frenemy. Animals use extraordinary powers to outsmart the competition. But often, the greatest enemy is the one you least expect.